Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving into the world of portable projectors with the XGIMI Halo Plus. This is a new version of this projector, and if you're looking for a compact yet powerful projector, stick around because this might be the one for you. First up, let's talk about the design. The XGIMI Halo Plus sports a sleek and modern look. It's compact enough to fit your backpack, making it perfect for on-the-go entertainment. It's a 1080p projector with 700 ISO lumens, and with Harman Kardon speakers, the audio is amazing for the size of it. It also supports HDR10, Netflix, Google TV. It has sensors for auto keystone and autofocus, but best of all, this projector can run off batteries for up to 2.5 hours with a single charge. After using the Halo Plus for the last week, I can honestly say that it performs well, especially the fact that it's portable. So we had a little fun with it, and I showed you some of the things that this projector can do. Now let me show you everything that it comes with. Now it is a plain white box, and when we open this up, it has styrofoam on the top of it. And here's the projector itself. We'll take a closer look at that in just a moment. Now there's two boxes inside of here. Now even though it's portable, it comes with this charger right here, and as you can see, it is a power brick. It also comes with this full instruction book, which a lot of products don't come with anymore. And here's the power cord for the charger. One thing I like about this remote control that comes with it is that it's white, so it's going to be very hard to lose, and it has plenty of features such as your power, Google voice commands, some hotkeys here at the top, profile buttons, as well as a focus button. You have some navigation keys, as well as some of the Google settings and the volume at the bottom. Taking a closer look at it, we have this nice size lens and it's 700 lumens. It also has Harman Kardon speakers built right into it. At the very bottom, there's a sensor right here, and these sensors down here are used for the intelligent screen adaptation. So this is going to make sure that everything stays aligned if you move it around, especially in a portable environment. On top of it, there's a plus and a minus for your volume, as well as a play pause button right here. And they're touch sensitive, so all you need to do is just tap on top of it to do those particular features. And as far as the back, we have a cooling fan, we have your DC input, headphone output, one HDMI, USB, and a power connection. And it does have a screw mount on here, so you can put it on your tripod, but I have something that might work better for you if you plan on putting it on the counter. Now this is an optional accessory, and it's called the multi-angle stand. And just keep in mind, it does have this little adjustment right here, but it's not going to compare with the stand that you can get. And the cool thing about the stand is only about $79. And once you get it all screwed in, you can turn it any direction that you like, and you can adjust it at any angle that you like, including up to the ceiling. So you have a lot of options with this particular stand. You can project it on a wall, but for these demos, we're going to be using the ALR daylight screen so you can see the full potential of what this projector can actually do.
Am I interrupting?
In my opinion, it does a phenomenal job on movies, but now we're going to take a look at YouTube TV and look at some different sport events. Now, one thing that really stands out to me is the color saturation. I was very impressed how well this projector produces colors on it. And thanks to the upgraded MEMC technology that they have in this particular model, it also looks smooth and fluent whenever you're watching any type of content on it. The HDMI connection on the Halo Plus will support eARC, so you can connect it to soundbars, and you can hook it up to your favorite Bluetooth devices like headphones or even speakers. Now we're going to take a listen to the audio so you can see how good these speakers sound in it.
Tennessee, while the cold here in Sweden got the best of me.
Now the projector does have plenty of settings. So for example, if you want to just project to a wall, that's perfectly fine, but I just want to show you what it takes if you decide to put it on the screen and mount it more in a permanent solution. Now with automatic keystone, it uses the lights and the cameras in front of it to adjust the screen. And I will tell you that it does a good job, especially on a white screen. But when it comes to a screen like this, it's not going to be perfect. So you have to do what they call manual keystone correction. And basically you have these little arrows here that you can move around, and two, you can fit the screen properly. Now the great thing is, again, in a permanent situation, this allows you to customize it to any kind of screen you decide to buy. In my case, I'm using a daylight screen, so it's going to look pretty good in the light. That's what it looks like all aligned, ready to go. So as you can see, there's plenty of controls. And then you have image zoom, and this is a digital zoom, so you can basically bring the screen in or bring it back out. So you can adjust that as well. And there's some other settings like screen restore, but we're going to leave that alone. There's also autofocus, and this allows the projector to adjust itself. There's a manual focus just in case you want to do it on your own. And depends on how good it focuses. This is something that I recommend. Depends on where you mount the projector. You can set up to automatic. I'm using it in the front. You can also put it on the ceiling so it'll reverse the signal. Now here's the operating system. It is powered by Google, and as you can see here, it's pretty snappy. The processor in this projector is doing a great job. Since it doesn't have antenna input, you do have Google channels that you can stream content anytime you're on the go. There's an app store, so you have access to all your favorite applications. And this is great because this projector doesn't require an external source to be able to watch content. If you have something plugged into it, you do have HDMI controls, so you can control that device with the remote control that comes with it. And just so you know, it has 8.9 gigabytes of internal memory for applications. There's an ambient mode, so you can have the projector showing art like this whenever you're not using it, which is a cool feature, especially if you don't have any content planned. If you arrow down, you can change it to your family photos. If you log into your Gmail account, you also have the art gallery and some custom AI art. And wait, there's a special delivery. XGIMI just sent me this right here, and this is Horizon S Max 4K projector. Now I will show you the performance on this a little bit later, but let's get this one out of the box. All right, let's go ahead and open this up and see what this one comes with. And one unique thing about this projector is that the lens system is behind this grill. And this projector has the gyro system built right in. As you can see, you can turn it side to side, up and down, and we'll talk about some of the specs in just a moment. Now here's the box of goodies that it comes with. Now let's go and get this one open. And as you can see here, it comes with this massive power brick that powers up the unit and has the power cable. And here's a remote control that comes with this one, which is pretty cool actually. I like the color of it and the design. Well, I'm seeing so far, we have power button, settings, voice commands. It is powered by Google, navigation, as well as your back menu button and volume control here at the bottom. On the back of it, there's a fan system, power, one HDMI right here, and 2 USBs. Now we can take a look at the Horizon S Max, and you can see it has that cool screen that's motorized on the front of it. It has features like IMAX Enhanced, Dolby Vision, and Harman Kardon speakers. Now this projector is extremely bright at 3100 ISO lumens, and it supports 4K technology. This projector is powered by Android TV, and it has access to all your favorite shows, applications, and anything that you need to make sure that you get the best experience. This projector also has Google TV Free Play, and it uses the internet to stream these channels, so you have access to plenty of entertainment. And with the Play Store, you can download just about any application that you can think of. And just like the Halo Plus, this one has all types of features like keystone, autofocus, image zoom, screen shifting, and a few other features down here such as wall adaptation, which measures the color of your wall so you get the best colors out of the projector. And this projector has more advanced features such as contrast enhancer. It also has a gaming mode, so you can set it up for your favorite games to get the best low latency out of it. It also supports Google Cast, has a built-in screensaver, and this one has 54 gigabytes of internal memory, so you can store plenty of applications. The dual light technology enhances high brightness, high contrast, and excellent color performance while eliminating issues like space speckles and color infringements. Not only does it enhance the performance, but it provides a more comfortable viewing experience. And this allows the projector to be brighter, have better color accuracy, and better contrast. And this is going to be ideal when you're watching movies in SDR to give you a much cleaner, accurate picture. And even when I was watching Dolby Vision, I felt that the contrast was spot on. It also has great color reproductions, and it's going to be bright enough to give you the full experience of just about any movie that you watch. The Horizon X Max also allows you to enjoy 3D content in your home, delivering an immersed cinema experience. And best of all, is IMAX Enhanced certified, which sets it apart from its competitors. And one of the most impressive things about this projector is that it covers up to 110% of the BT 2020 color space, which makes it a lot more accurate than a lot of projectors out there. Next, we're going to take a listen to the audio system so you can hear the speakers in this particular projector.
Tennessee, while the cold here in Sweden got the best of me.
In my opinion, both of these are great projectors, but you have to decide if you want one that's portable that you can take out and put on your back patio, and you can get that family night experience, especially if you get a fold-out projector screen. Or do you want something that's more stationary that you can put in your home and be able to get that movie night and get a really good sound quality and get a much brighter picture, 4K capabilities, and Dolby Vision? I would say that decision is up to you. I'm Tech Steve. Thanks all for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.